beautiful.
Leave it there.
Whoa, that's a huge success. Come on. Come on.
Good beginner's luck.
Hey, Joe. It's not your mahjong game.
Hey, what's up my friends? Welcome back to my channel. In celebration of Mid-Autumn Festival, which is the next Thursday, October 1st this year. In today's episode, we're making mung bean cake, which is also called 绿豆糕 in Chinese. In Chinese culture, roundness symbolizes completeness and togetherness. A full moon symbolizes prosperity and reunion for the whole family. So round moon cakes complement the harvest moon in night sky at the Mid-Autumn Festival. We normally eat moon cakes, but in this year, since they're very high in calories, so let's make a little tweak of mung bean cake. So the very first step, which you could do it ahead of time, is to measure probably around 200 grams of mung bean, which in this case we got the skinned one, which I highly recommend de-skinned one, which will save you tons of time. And just to soak them overnight and make the mung bean become softer. And day 2 is to really kind of rub them against each other and get rid of the skin. That's all I did in day 2. And if you give me a second chance, I would never chose a bag of mung bean with skin. So overall, this is definitely a once in a lifetime experience. I would never do this ever again. Not even if you paid me a tons of money to do this. No, I refuse to do it. In the end, day 2 or even day 3 of peeling the skin off, it's I was really an emotionless skin peeler. A lot of philosophical questions hit me, like who I am, where I am, what's the meaning of the life, all that. And the rest is history. Alright, after all the struggle, we finally were able to steam the mung bean for 30 minutes. And ta-da! The next step is just to kind of make them smooshy. And you can tell after 30 minutes, the mung bean becomes really soft. There are 2 other ingredients goes into the mung bean cake, which is sugar, about 80 grams of sugar, and the butter. And you can really adjust the ratio based on your preference. If you want it sweeter, you can add more sugar, and if you want it buttery, then you add more butter. And turns out, using this recipe, I think the butter was a little bit too much, so I would dial down a little for the butter part. And to get a silky, smooth texture, I added into our juicer.
Ooh, look at those bean sprouts.
They're not sprouts yet. Mung bean.
Still mung bean. Hear that? Don't wait.
Don't forget about this.
Don't forget the lid.
Okay. I'm scared.
Why? Just hit the button.
So the texture turned out to be a little funny. It's almost like soft clay. And the next step is introducing butter and sugar all together with Mung bean paste. Let them get to know each other and yeah, build a community. And as the butter is melting and adding moisture to this mixture, you might experience several stages of different texture. So have some patience with this mixture and you will get some consistent texture. This is the mooncake mold, which I found it online, and we're just gonna choose a pattern that you want for your mooncake and put it down here like this and push it. Let me try this. Yeah, push it down. You see here? So the bottom will be a pattern. The bottom will be a pattern, and once you get one of your bean dough here, and you press it down, so it will actually mold it into that shape. So we're gonna try it. I haven't used it ever. We're gonna say it, and let's see. I'm gonna try to get like a 50 grams of this. I don't know. Maybe that's 50? What do you think? How much is that? 55? Okay. Whee! How much is that? Whoa, that's enough. That's close enough, close enough. They're still hot. So you kind of form it. You want it to make it beautiful. Try this. Is that too much? Do you think that's too much?
One way to find out.
Okay. Okay, I guess. And where do we put it? I guess here.
Face down on the cutting board?
Yeah. So, I'm scared.
So scary.
So scary. And I think you're supposed to leave it on for 30 seconds just to help it mold. We'll try. Ooh. Do you think it's good?
Did you push as hard as you can?
Yeah, I don't want to push too hard because there's things coming out already.
Okay, so then stop.
Looks weird to me. Ooh, actually.
Turn it upside down and push it. Oh, upside down. No, the other way. Like if you want to push it out, don't do it that way. Oh, you can do it that way.
Oh, they look beautiful.
Leave it there.
Whoa, that's a huge success. Come on.
Come on.
Good beginner's luck.
Hey, Joe. It's not your mahjong game. But look at that.
Looking good.
Holy I'm a mooncake maker now. Okay. So we're gonna reuse that. It's just, oh, you don't see that. Okay. So are you ready for trying a different pattern? Okay, we're gonna do a different one, I guess. This time it's this. Okay. So looks like last time it's a little bit too much. So let's try 50, because I think last time was 50 and 50. I don't even know.
You were 50.6 last time.
Okay, that's not enough. What is that? 48? You want to
Yeah,
try
give
that?
that a try.
Yeah, 48.4. Let's see. They're like less unified than last time.
Just squeezed. Oh, easy.
This is so much fun. So much fun. Okay. Okay, gotta give it a try. Okay, this time it looks like it's easier to push down even. Okay. Gotta give it a try. You ready? You ready? Wait, wait a second. What? Okay. Press. Okay. I think it's done. You're supposed to count 30 seconds, but I think it's done. One way to find out. Oh, they look beautiful. Okay.
That's the flat side.
I don't care. My hands are like too oily. Oh. They dropped. They wanted to come out. Oh, come on. Come on. Look at that.
Looking good.
Yeah, that definitely put too much butter. Like, I would suggest anyone
Just
doing this, just like, I don't know.
Add
Let's
all the
try the
butter.
different one, the third pattern.
$45. Ooh. 50? Yeah, sure, we'll try that.
I might want to get rid of a little. Because when I do 40 something or 50.
Good enough.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you didn't pick a thing. Which one do I want to do? I want to do this one. Hey, go on there.
You might want it to make it smooth.
Oh, oh. I messed that one up, but now it's a baby one. Oopsies. Actually, wrong word.
That's okay.
Thanks everyone for watching till the end, and happy Mid-Autumn Festival. Make sure you try this mung bean cake and let me know. Let's worship the moon and worship all the things we have in our lives. Alright friends, if you haven't done so, just smash that subscribe button, turn on notification bell, click like, and leave comments below. Have you ever tried moon cakes before? Thanks for watching, it's Jia here, we'll see you next Friday.